Greetings from House Lux Estate, a platform where we explore the extraordinary. Our channel delves into the opulent lives of the world's elite, their remarkable investments, and the ways they're sculpting the future. We uncover the hidden layers behind the wealth and power, revealing the strategies that keep them at the pinnacle. From colossal mansions to private islands, we've seen it all. But today, we're venturing beyond our atmosphere. Today, we dive into an intriguing topic: why billionaires are investing in space. You've probably noticed a trend among billionaires, a fascination with the cosmos. It's as if the wealthiest among us have set their sights on a new playground, one that lies beyond the confines of our blue planet. The names Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard Branson are synonymous with wealth and innovation. But they have something else in common. They're all pioneers in the burgeoning business of space exploration. Musk's SpaceX, Bezos' Blue Origin, and Branson's Virgin Galactic are not just pet projects for these tycoons. In fact, they are serious investments aimed at pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and capabilities. But what's driving these billionaires to invest their considerable fortunes in such otherworldly pursuits? Is it the allure of scientific discovery, the promise of untapped resources, or the thrill of pioneering a new frontier? Perhaps it's a mix of all three. Musk has spoken of his dream to make humans a multi-planetary species. Bezos envisions millions of people living and working in space to save Earth. And Branson? He's all about space tourism, aiming to make the cosmos accessible to adventure seekers with deep pockets. These billionaires are not just dreaming big, they're investing big. Their ventures show that space is no longer the exclusive domain of government agencies. Private capital is now shaping the future of space exploration, and the stakes couldn't be higher. So let's explore why they're reaching for the stars. The space race is no longer between nations, it's now a billionaire's playground. This statement couldn't be more accurate in our modern era. A new race to the stars has started, and it's being led by some of the wealthiest individuals on this planet. No longer content with conquering terrestrial markets, they're setting their sights on the final frontier, space. Let's take a look at some of the key players in this billionaire space race, starting with Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX. Musk's vision is nothing short of colonizing Mars to ensure the survival of humanity. His company is leading the charge with reusable rockets, making space travel more eco-friendly and cost-effective. SpaceX has already made history with manned missions to the International Space Station, and plans for a manned mission to Mars are on the horizon. Then there's Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and Blue Origin. While SpaceX is focused on Mars, Bezos dreams of building floating colonies in space, housing millions of people. Blue Origin is developing a lunar lander and planning to establish a human presence on the moon. Bezos envisions a future where heavy industries will be moved off Earth, leaving our planet primarily for residential and light industrial use. And let's not forget Sir Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Galactic. Branson's vision is more focused on space tourism. He wants to make space travel accessible to more people, not just astronauts. Virgin Galactic has already started selling tickets for suborbital space flights, allowing civilians to experience the thrill of space travel and the beauty of our planet from above. It's an exciting time to be alive, as we witness these billionaires pushing the boundaries of space exploration and technology. They're not merely competing for bragging rights or personal fulfillment. They're sparking a new era of technological innovation that could change the way we live, work, and perceive our place in the universe. It seems like they're not just racing, they're revolutionizing the space industry. Space might be the final frontier, but for these billionaires, it's also a potential gold mine. Astronomical returns are expected from space investments. It's not just about shooting rockets into the sky and hoping for the best. The opportunities are as vast as the cosmos itself, with a variety of sectors that promise a profitable return. Let's explore a few of these exciting possibilities. First up, asteroid mining. With the right technology, asteroids could be a treasure trove of valuable resources, from precious metals to water, a crucial element for long-duration space travel. Imagine a single asteroid containing more platinum than has ever been mined on Earth. That's not just a gold mine, it's a platinum mine. Next, we have space tourism. The allure of viewing our beautiful blue planet from a breathtaking vantage point in space is a luxury experience that many are willing to pay top dollar for. The anticipation is palpable, with several companies already taking reservations for future space flights. As this industry grows, the potential returns could be, well, stellar. Commercialization of space travel is another avenue brimming with potential. As the technology becomes more accessible and affordable, companies are looking at ways to turn space travel into a regular commute. Think about it, interstate travel is so last century. The future could very well be interplanetary. And let's not forget the myriad of satellite services. From global communications to weather monitoring, satellites play an integral part in our daily lives. As our reliance on these services increases, so does the demand for more advanced and efficient satellites. Investing in space isn't just about lofty dreams and starry-eyed ambitions. It's a calculated move, a long-term investment with the promise of a significant payout. The revenue streams are diverse, ranging from mining to tourism to commercial travel and satellite services. It's clear that these billionaires see space as more than just a passion project. They see it as a chance to pioneer a new era of cosmic commerce, to usher in a future where space isn't just a place for exploration, but a bustling marketplace teeming with opportunities. And with that vision, they're not just reaching for the stars, they're reaching for the profit margins. But what does all this mean for us, the spectators of this celestial spectacle? As we gaze up at the stars, it's easy to feel small. But the impact of space investments on our daily lives could be anything but insignificant. Firstly, let's talk about job creation. The space industry, which includes everything from space exploration to satellite technology, is a rapidly growing sector. As billionaires continue to pour money into space-related ventures, we can expect a surge in job opportunities. These aren't just any jobs, but high-skilled, high-paying positions in fields like engineering, computer science, and physics. Indeed, the space industry could become a major job creator in the coming decades. But it doesn't stop there. The investments being made in space have the potential to bring about significant advancements in technology. For instance, the research and development required for space travel could lead to new materials, energy sources, and communication systems, among other things. These technologies could then be applied here on Earth, improving our lives in countless ways. Who knows, maybe the cure for cancer or the solution to climate change lies not here on our planet, but out there in the cosmos. Lastly, let's not forget about the potential for space colonization. While this may sound like science fiction, many experts believe that it could become a reality within the next few decades. As our planet continues to grapple with issues like overpopulation, pollution and resource depletion, the prospect of establishing human colonies on other planets becomes increasingly appealing. If successful, this could fundamentally change the course of human history, opening up a whole new frontier for our species. So when we look up at the stars, we're not just looking at distant celestial bodies. We're looking at the future of our society, a future that could be shaped by the investments being made in space today. From job creation and technological advancement to space colonization, the impacts of these investments could be far-reaching and profound. It's clear that these investments could change the world as we know it. The cosmos has always captivated us, but now it's also becoming a business frontier for billionaires. As we've explored in this engaging journey, the fascination with space is not just about the thrill of the unknown. It's also about the promise of untapped potential and the allure of astronomical profits. Throughout the video, we've delved into how billionaires are fueling a new space race, not between nations, but between private entities. This competition is not just about ego or prestige. It's about capitalizing on the infinite resources and opportunities that space offers. From asteroid mining to space tourism, the potential for profit is as vast as the universe itself. Yet the impact of these space investments goes beyond individual wealth accumulation. As we've discussed, the ripple effects on society could be significant. The advancements in technology and infrastructure required for these ventures could transform industries, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth. Moreover, these investments could also push the boundaries of human knowledge and experience. They could open up new avenues for scientific research and technological innovation. Indeed, the quest for space could reshape our understanding of the universe and our place in it. However, this trend also raises important questions. How will we manage the commercialization of space? How will we ensure it benefits all of humanity, not just the privileged few? These are questions we must grapple with as we stand on the brink of this new frontier. In conclusion, the billionaire's investment in space is not just a business venture. It's a testament to the human spirit's insatiable curiosity and unyielding ambition. It's a bold leap into the unknown, driven by the promise of untold riches and the pursuit of knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. We hope you found it as fascinating as we do. If you'd like to continue exploring these extraordinary topics with us, don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate. We look forward to embarking on more incredible journeys together.